can we make a little bit of room here for me, guys? I just want to stand up there because I'm going to have to do my whole thing, so. Yeah, thank you, guys. I can't get up. Listen up, blue team! I am your general for this game! Alright, I'll be calling the shots. I'm trying to make it as fun as for everybody. Our first mission is going to be for the bridge. We need to hold it for 30 minutes, okay? We will have the option to destroy it so they cannot cross the bridge or at any time later in the game. I will further instructions, give you guys instructions on that later on. I don't know when we're going to be about to start. We should be here in a few minutes, so you better gear up, get ready to play. Just want to make sure on that. So again, the first mission is going to be the bridge, which is in that direction, and we need to put the flags up for blue side and hold it for 30 minutes. Yes, sir. Right now we're on 14 for blue team. All right, medics. We have 2 medics. Can I have my medics raise their hand? We got one right here, and we got one back there. There are our medics. They'll be helping us. I still need an EOD. Does anybody want to be an EOD technician for me? I still need somebody to that. Actually, the kid right here. Yeah, you. Yeah, I saw your hand first. All right, come up here, please. Can somebody hand me the EOD bandages, the ref, please? Can you come up here for me? You're going to be our EOD technician for later, because we're going to have you, just want to make sure. But yeah, we'll have a special mission for you, so when I get out there, we'll make sure we communicate with you to do so. He's, what? You can be our backup medic, because I know when he goes in, you can come back and he can switch with you, okay? Because we're going to give everybody kind of free time for that. Yes, sir. Okay, that's fine. Fletcher. UXO. UXO. Put your XO bandages. I need to put mine on. Hey. Hey, can you put this on for me? There you go. Testing, channel 14, blue team, we're good to go. It's shaky. You're good, I can hear you. So one more thing, I am well general, but my call sign, EOD's right here. EOD's right here. My call sign is Colonel Sanders. Yes, my last name is Sanders. So make all the fun jokes you want. I don't care. I hear them all. So you can call me Colonel or General. I don't care. I do have 2 recon teams. We're going to be out there and we're going to communicate with them. They should be helping you guys for the first bridge mission. All right. Thank you. Pretty much if you see people like disobeying the rules of the game or not doing what they're supposed to, you can literally pull them off the field. So just keep everybody in check and stuff like that. Yeah. We're gonna come down this way. You just gotta get to the bridge when you see it and put the blue flag up. I gotta talk to the rest. We gotta see when the game's about to start. Spawn is if you guys heard the rules, just to remind you, if you bleed out for 1 minute without no medic, you can respawn back or come back to base and then wait for respawn time every 15 minutes. So if you die in the first minute and you bleed out, you're gonna wait 14 minutes to respawn back in. So every 15-minute mark. The routers will assure that. But we do have our medics, so this should help you out. You know, and we're together, guys. We have 2 medics, 10 managers each. Can you look up? We have Jackson and Hunter. Yes, yeah, Hunter. He's one of our medics. He's got the knee pads on. Now we are. Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine. We got 1 medic right here, and we have another medic, Hunter.
Center, flank in,
down on that bottom side of the woods.
So Zack, this way.
No, it'll be directly down.
That way.
You're gonna come directly down, or you're just straight up.
Oh, okay. Hey medic, I wouldn't run in the front. Hey, watch out for snipers.
Communicate, guys! Communicate! We need to get a medic on the left side here. We need a medic on the left side.
We have to capture it. Dude, there's like 30 gazillion people up there. Hey, you got a lot incoming. Hey, look, there's like 4 or 5. Hey, come here! Come here! We need help! I'm on your left. Watch your right.
Keep going!
I'm on your left. Watch your right. Alright, give me some cover. You good? You hit or you good? You good? Oh, great. Where are they? I see them.
Intel? There you go. Thanks. Where's the EOD? 10-4, we need to get the EOD, the Asian short guy. Hey, EOD guy! I need you to get to the bridge, okay? Everybody, get the EOD cover fire! The EOD's right here on the right side with us. He's right here. So we need to get him to that bridge. EOD, when you get to that bridge, you're gonna stop the timer.
Hey, can you give me some cover fire? I'm gonna move right.